What it do, YouTube? So we back again with another video. As you can see, I'm about to change my oil and clean the filter. But get on your boy Ace, the camera. His ass was fire, bro. The other video didn't come out good, so we a little backed up on videos. But make sure y'all subscribe, like in all the videos. Cause I got more coming. I got more things coming. But like I said, let me get y'all some rules, some B-rolls, and everything. For us when we changing it and cleaning this out. So stay tuned.
We back. Doing our own oil change and shit like that. Just did the filter for it. Insurance looking like E better now.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned. Got some more stuff coming.
Like this, and then you put it in, make sure you go into the other hole.
Swerve with this bitch and motor. Really keep on trying so we can finish installing that Wickerbill.
Hey, y'all want to see a little bit?
Get that shit together, man.
That's just the pre-holes, man. You feel me? We about to get busy.
Definitely swerving in it. Oh, swerving in it. I'm trying to tell you, we got all fat shit over here. And we all got fat shit over here. But like I said, thanks to Ace, you know what I'm saying, the cameraman behind us. We pretty much got it. As we can see, we just got these two that we weren't able to put on. It's a little off.
Just a little, by a little.
But like I said, we still try to figure it out though. We'll figure that shit out. For the main thing was just getting it on and everything goes pretty much on. Everything goes working. So like I said, make sure y'all subscribe and like it. Like I said in some part of the video, just making sure that y'all commenting. Just comment, bro. Just join the game for this. Tune in with us. But like I said, I'm gonna be switching stuff up. I'm gonna be changing up my like I said, I'm gonna be changing up my camera and stuff, changing up everything. So like I said, everything I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be switching stuff up, so like I said, during the 2S game, we only going up. we going up. I'm gonna change my tires outside. I'm gonna buy some new wheels for back here, but I might get some like some lightweight so I could drag it a little bit. So I could do a little bit racing and less weight. So like I said, whenever I do that, y'all gonna know. Whenever I do, y'all gonna know. I still got some. Damn, I ain't even showing the shit for the exhaust.
They'll see that when we get to it.
So when I do that video, I'm gonna make sure y'all show y'all I got some other stuff for my exhaust too. Like it's only getting started. So we probably we gonna end this vlog off though. With this really y'all I don't know, we just picked it up and just brought y'all with us of what we was doing with that. I told y'all was gonna know when I do it, so we end up doing it thanks to Ace, cause he been wanting to do it, so this was something else that we got done. It was a little project, it was fun doing, it was frustrating too, but that's pretty much it. So make sure y'all like, comment, just subscribing to the channel, and we'll probably just end up cleaning the car up, and then we're gonna be gone. So we out. Peace, 2X gang.